Our next compound is diborane B2H6. It is an electron deficient compound. Diborane is an electron deficient compound, so it can act as Lewis acid. So here, when diborane react with ammonia, 3B2H6 plus 6NH3 gives 2B3N3H6. What is B3N3H6? It is borazine. B3N3H6 is borazine. It is also called inorganic benzene. Borazine is inorganic benzene because its structure is similar with the organic benzene. Instead of carbon, we are giving boron, next nitrogen, then boron, nitrogen, and so on. So borazine or inorganic benzene we get as the product. Then structure of diborane. We know structure of diborane is like this: B2H6, B2H6. Here, for these four hydrogen atoms are terminal hydrogen atom. These two hydrogen atoms are bridged hydrogen atom. So here, four BH bonds and two BHB bonds are present. Four BH bonds are two center, two electron bond. Four BH bonds are two center, two electron bond, and two BHB bonds are here. Three elements are here, so three center, two electron bond, three center, two electron bond. This is about structure of diborane. Here, hybridization of boron is sp3. This special type of bond, bridged hydrogen atom containing bond BHB bond, is also known as banana bond. The special type of bond in diborane is banana bond. Okay. The next group 14 elements, that is carbon family. Group 14, carbon family. The elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, then tin, lead. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Okay. Then here main focus is on covalent radius. There is a considerable increase in covalent radius from carbon to silicon. There is a considerable increase in their covalent radius. Thereafter, from silicon to lead, small increase is observed. Then about electronegativity. The electronegativity values of elements from silicon to lead are almost same. The electronegativity of silicon to lead are almost same. Then atomic and physical properties. Covalent radius. Here covalent radius is in the order lead greater than tin, germanium, silicon, carbon. Lead is greater than tin greater than germanium, greater than silicon, greater than carbon. Covalent radius. We know atomic radius increases down the group due to number of cells increases. Then about ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy order is like this: carbon, then carbon greater than silicon, greater than germanium, greater than lead, greater than tin. Carbon, silicon, germanium, lead, tin. In this order, ionization enthalpy. Then electronegativity. Electronegativity follows the order carbon, lead, silicon equal to germanium equal to tin. Silicon, germanium.